Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Friday, December 19th. I'm going to take a look at one of the trades in the trade room today, and that was also in Momentum Options alert. Sending out the alert this morning, and that was a breakout setup in Boeing. So we were looking at this 60-minute consolidation pattern here, where we have been chopping sideways between 205 roughly and 210, 205.50, 210.50. And we had a nice double top from yesterday's peak where we had rallied up and hit the high of 2 days ago and then again hit it yesterday. And what we were looking for was a long entry above 210.70 with our initial targets up at about 212 to 213. Well, I think our initial target was 213 from the alert. And then the stretch target was 215. We hit both of those. Ended up working out really, really well. But this is a good example, once again, of the types of breakout trades that we look for, where we have well-defined support or resistance, meaning it's been tagged at least 2 different times and pivoted off of at least 2 different times, showing strong horizontal resistance or support. This is also where we expect price to accelerate once we break through that level. Ended up working out really well and followed through very nicely. We ended up closing the runners for about 70% profit to the upside. Now, at the same time, we also had another trade today, another setup very similar, and that's Disney. And this is what I'm still in right now. And it's the same type of setup. You look at the 60-minute chart, we have well-defined resistance. We popped that resistance this morning, but it's just kind of stalled here. It's gotten stuck. And one of the things you have to keep in mind is today is options expiration. So it's OPEX, and it's the largest options expiration we've ever had, I believe. It's something like $7 trillion in options are expiring today. So what they're trying to do essentially is they will try to keep the market from pushing through these big gamma walls where there's a lot of open interest. And it seems like that's what they're doing here with Disney, because every time Disney gets above or around that 113, 112.50 area, they push it right back down. So they did it back here, did it here, did it here, and did it here. But this is one worth watching. Again, I'm already long Disney right now from the breakout this morning, just waiting on it to see if it'll follow through. But I will go larger if we can get a 60-minute close above that 113 level and put on a full-size position. But that's it for today. Hope it helps. Don't forget, you can always join us in the trade room and get these trades live. All you got to do is go to bctnow.com/join. It's an entire month for $7. At least come check it out. See if you like it. But that's it for now. Until next time, everybody, happy trading.